state of the nation is dire. It is sad. And for me personally, it is frustrating. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa, at habang merong Pilipino na naniniwala that we can be a superpower, it can happen. Alam mo, gusto kong, kaya kami nasa labas din, is to speak to Filipino communities abroad. Kasi parang sila na lang yung hindi ba nawala ng pag-asa at they still dream for a better Philippines. Kasi parang dito sa atin sa bayan, ganyan na siya. Parang, sige, tanggapin na lang natin kung anong nandyan. Ganun na yung mood ng mga tao. Pero if you talk to the Filipinos overseas who have lived, who have worked in so many countries, they still dream. And alam mo yon, parang na-uplift ka din na parang, oo, kayang-kaya natin gawin yan. Lalong-lalo na napakaliit natin na bansa. So, ibig sabihin, mas madali siyang i-manage. At, ayun. So, yun.